Amidst the data that blankets our world, the importance of classification within data mining stands paramount. It gives structure to the raw, formless information that abounds. Yet, crafting a model is merely the beginning. The true test is in evaluation. We venture into the nuanced art of assessing classification models, understanding the subtleties of accuracy and reliability. As we tackle this intricate process, we'll introduce the receiver operating characteristic, or ROC curve, a powerful ally in articulating the effectiveness of our models. And so we begin this narrative, setting the stage to explore the ROC, which refines the complexity of model evaluation into informed scientific conclusions. Continuing our demystification of data mining, let us now spotlight the ROC curve. This precise tool depicts the performance of predictive models with the striking clarity of an EKG for binary classifiers. Through it, we visualize the trade-offs between the true positive rate and false positive rate, quantifying a model's discriminative power. Evolving from its origins into signal detection theory, ROC has become indispensable in tasks ranging from medical diagnosis to financial fraud detection. As we further spend time with ROC, we'll grasp how to navigate its peaks and valleys, elevating our proficiency in classification. Exploring deeper, two essential metrics emerge as the ROC curve's backbone: the true positive rate, or TPR, and the false positive rate, or FPR. The TPR gauges our model's success in identifying correct cases, while the FPR captures the frequency of false alerts. These rates inform us of our classifier's behavior across various thresholds. As we progress, you'll learn how the ROC curve reflects the intricate balance between TPR and FPR, charting our strategic path in comparing classifiers. Now, having grasped the TPR and FPR, we encounter the narrative heart of the ROC curve. Each plotted point tells a tale of decision-making. As we thread these points together, we interpret the classifier's efficiency through the resulting shape. Moving forward, we will explore the area under the curve, or AUC. Beneath this elegant graph lies the concise story of our classifier's distinction capability, awaiting decoding in our next chapter. Within the twists and turns of the ROC curve lies a measurement of paramount interest, the AUC. This value portrays our model's discernment, with higher AUC indicating stronger predictive ability. By understanding the nuances within AUC scores, we're well on our way to refining classifier performance and ultimately to transforming theory into results-driven applications. As we've come to understand the essence of ROC and AE, we transition from theory to application. We envision an array of classifiers, each represented by a unique ROC curve, vying for analytical supremacy. By comparing these curves, we identify superior models, those that offer reliable discernment within the realms of data mining. Moving ahead, we'll build on our understanding of ROC's applications, ready to embrace its power in multi-class classification. Beyond the binary realm, multi-class classification stands firm as our next challenge. We deploy a one-vis-all strategy, adapting our binary toolkit for a multi-class context. This approach enables us to distill performance insights for individual classes. In the upcoming segment, prepare for a practical demonstration of multi-class ROC analysis as we bring theory into the vibrant world of real-world data classification. Translating our ROC exploration to a real-world scenario, consider predicting customer churn. Here, our model seeks to deftly differentiate potential churners from loyal customers. Through the ROC curve, our model's guesses are tested across varying thresholds. The dance of TPR and FPR on the graph reflects the classifier's proficiency. In this stage, we not only gauge performance, but also pinpoint avenues for model enhancement, leveraging ROC analysis as a tool for continuous refinement. As we near the end of our ROC journey, we acknowledge its limitations in certain contexts, like imbalanced datasets. Alternative measures, such as precision recall curves and the F1 score, provide us with additional perspectives. These tools adapt to unique problem characteristics, reminding us that data mining demands a versatile, multifaceted approach to statistical analysis, ensuring comprehensive classifier evaluation. Concluding our exploration, the ROC curve has been a beacon, illuminating the complexities of classifier evaluation. With the AUC as our guide, we navigated from the simplicity of binary to the expansiveness of multi-class classification. Although acknowledging its potential constraints, we recognize the necessity of a diverse metric toolkit. This odyssey through data mining is just a beginning. Yield to curiosity and let it steer you towards the broad horizons of possibility in this data-driven landscape.